How to set motion photo to off, on, or automatic in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. And in here, tap on the control button. After that, swipe across the menu and then tap on this button right here. Tap on the motion photo button. And from here, you can set it to automatic, or you can set it to on, so that when you take a picture, it always going to record a small video clip. So here you can play the video clip by tapping on view motion photo. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.